Bonani, welcome to BK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Thembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Please help me grow this channel by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel. Dango. I'm going to do a lineup prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus Stellenbosch FC that is going to be played at the DHL Stadium in Cape Town on 7 on Wednesday, May 4 January. Many people know what this Stellenbosch is a deliberate of Kaizer Chiefs, of which is not entirely true. Cause now at some point bazofuna ukuziqinisa and make it difficult for Kaizer Chiefs. But one thing we know for sure, we have to put in our A game so that we can win this game because we have a target on our head. But the important thing is that we see what the Giants understand now. The only important thing is to win the games. Doesn't matter, it's a cup game, it's a league game, but what is important is to get the 3 points and to win so that to advance to the next round of the competitions that they play. And we know very well, we cannot mention Nedbank Cup without mentioning Wandile Toba. Cause uyo washo from the start wasithembisa ukuthi Nedbank yethu sobuya nayo. Kusho ukuthi namanje we have to ask from Toba ukuthi say defender noma kanjani. Cause manje asikwazi nokuthi sikhulume nawo uToba siyamsaba. Cause wathi thina sikhuluma bullshit. Manje ke ngcono sizwe ngaye. Asazi kini ke makhosi ukuthi are we defending this title or aniliboni ithemba nakancane. Let's start from the polls. We are starting from the polls. Is Brendan Peterson Winjayebe. He's having a stellar of a season, especially making sure that he reminds us you cannot put a good man down. But I have this feeling with them might change a goalkeeper Bafago Prosvo because they are sharing the games. The same thing that happened with calling Black Label knockout when they changed Bafaga Onchwar. I have this feeling, but I still believe on Brendan Peterson Gutabo number 1 because I think now they will be pushing him ukuthi abe nalama clean sheet amaningi lawa khulunyelwa kangaka kwenkundla zokuxhumana because I don't know ukuthi now all of a sudden sekuyi yintembu kuba ne clean sheet. When you mention ama clean sheet bakutshela ngokuthi no, he's not being tested enough, but when you introduce the topic of which means he has the best defense, still bayaphika. So we don't understand ukuthi kahle inkinga ukuthi abafuna ukuvuma Brendan Peterson, but he will keep proving himself ukuthi he's a good goalkeeper. But let's not confuse the two. We don't want him to prove anything to anyone but himself. Makaloku aqhubeka as protector lapha emuva enza sure ukuthi angeni magoli. That's the only way to do the talking, by performing. Left back ku league vele angeke kube nobungozi obungako. They'd rather play Aiden Paseka Marco as a left back. Left back kuzoba Paseka Marco because of his experience. Obviously we're playing against a team that will have a winger that is going to be speedy. So for him it's going to be key for Chiefs ukuthi kungabi free because you know Makati as a left back. But now we know there's also another important game MLC idlale against Al Masry, which is a do-die game. We have to make sure we give everything. So now we can't say we cannot sacrifice our players. So with Miguel, we know good to uye emele abe left center back, but on this case they're gonna use Aiden McCart because usahleli ku 3 yama yellow cards, so bazo avoid ukuthi abe suspended. McCart, instead of being used as a left back, he's going to be used as a left center back ahead of Miguel. That shows ukuthi abafuna ukuriska next. They understand the magnitude of the games that we play. So with CAF Confederation, he is as important as Gulik, but the Gulik and also Nedbank Cup obviously they can be able ukuthi bakwazi ukupivota ukuthi bakwazi ukubona ukuthi okay lana ngabamba lana Aiden McCarthy, because why not? He's good aerially, he can read the game very well. If you play against a team that won't give you that much trouble and also that needs someone that is calm, that doesn't use aggression, so logo can work in the favor of Aiden McCarthy. Right center back, I don't think ukuthi kusamele siloku sikhuluma ukuthi akudlaliswa lo kungadlaliswa bani. Uyenze show Uzitha Gwinika ukuthi uyenze yakhe le position. His calmness on the ball, the reading of the game, he understands ukuthi what does it mean ukuthi abe solid at the back, abe that rock that he is, because he's able to contest for much duels aerially and also on the ground, can read the game very well. He can communicate with his defense. He's commanding. That's what you need. He's leading from the back. That's why kuba simple ukuthi kube ne communication lapha emuva, because him and Brendan Peterson, they are very vocal. They demand from their teammates. That's why I believe ukuthi even uMsimango, when he will get his chance, he will perform. But for now, it will be difficult for the coaches to drop Uzitha Gwinika. Ku right back kulana ke kuzoba nokuba confuseka ke, because last game I thought kuzoqala uMonyane but they started with Solomons. This game you will say ukuthi bazoqala uSolomons bavele baqale uMonyane. It depends on the type of a game that the opponents will bring to us. If they're going to attack using ama wingers that have speed, surely uMonyane bazomfaka because of his awareness and anticipation, because now he's more reserved, overlapping kakhulu. But for Solomons, we see him ungathola ku right back ihamba izifike kwi space se left wing, because he likes and he enjoys getting inside. He inverts and then makes it easier for the winger that plays on that side to operate at the whole side, and it also cause an overload in the middle of the park. That's why kuba simple ukuthi bakwazi ukudila with ama second balls now, with the balls that are played. If the team plays a center, they don't have that space in order for them to execute their plans. But if we want to defend solidly, we know ukuthi kumele kube noMonyane at the back. But now he's one player that likes operating in the half spaces. But he's one player that I'd say he listens to the coaches when they instruct him to don't overlap. He does as being told, to give Migwe uLilipo that chance ukuthi alokadlala as a winger, ukuthi anga stress about coming back to help the team defend. Focus more on the attacking role. Bese again, we middle of the park, Lebohang Maboa is so far so good. He's doing good lapana go CTM. He makes things look easier for himself so that he doesn't have to do much. It's a trap and pass. Open up his body and see where the space, he goes to that space, receive and give the ball to whoever that is in a good position when we are attacking. His ball movement and retention, it is good. It allows Chiefs to recover, to regroup whenever they are out of position. Especially if you are being attacked, if he wins the ball. He's good when it comes to our turnovers. He doesn't delay our progress when we go forward. Him and Ndlovu, I think the combination goes way back from their days playing for Maritzburg United, because they understand each other very well. The chemistry is there even when they went to SuperSport United. That's why they form a formidable duo in that middle of the park. Sakhuluma ngawo ke iduo kusho ukuthi uNdlovu uzodlala as a number 8. Attacking midfielder still bawusebenzisa Mfundo Vilakazi, because they want creativity at its level best. Someone who can be able to thread a through ball. Someone who has the awareness. Someone who understands what needs to be done as an attacking midfield. Because he's calm on the ball, akajah. So that's what gives him. But there's still uSirino, but I don't think ukuthi uSirino bangamjaha manje. They will give him time. Kuti abe fully invested, ayibuye momentum and then bazomsebenzisa. Bese ke na kuma wingers, ku left winger, Pule Mori is going to be a first choice again. It's going to be a first choice after having a good game versus CSKA United. Attacking and defending, it will give him that advantage over Ovelepai. The striking force, Flavio Silva, I don't understand what is he dropping form or now he's struggling a bit, because even when they give him good balls, runs, his head is not in the right space. Because he could have scored 2 goals against CSKA United, but I think they prefer him because of the runs that he makes. He's always that danger man inside the box. But I think he wants to duel much instead of doing what he's supposed to do. They must instruct him with, no, stay on the box, stay inside the box, we'll give you the ball. But if that doesn't happen, that's why you'll see him dropping deep, trying to collect and trying to make sure which is useful, because the more he gets deprived of the ball, the more frustrated he becomes and he finds himself out of position most of the time because ufuna uyolanda ibhola. Ku right winger Sihlodeli Lepo, especially playing against a team that he enjoys playing against. So far he has got 2 goals against them. He'll be looking to register the 3rd one because now he's slowly gaining his form back. Hopefully the more the games are being played, the more lethal he will become, the more crucial he will become for Kaizer Chiefs. Sibonge kubantu bebamcriticize that they didn't know ukuthi they will wake that beast in him. Bheka manje udubula noma kuphi kuze kuthiwa uyacrossa noma ngacross, but makaqhubeka lokho wacross, ucrossile even against CSKA United wakora, akaqhubeke nje nalama crosses, into enhle leyo. Bese ku bench, I believe Touch Mabaso, he always gets introduced second half. This time he wasn't in that game versus CSKA. He didn't replace Umabo, but they replaced Ndlovu because we needed ukuthi siqinise to bring that stability, sikwazi ukuthi defend our goal. Wandile Duba still naye akakasibonisi, but it was his first game, so you can't judge a player obeka absent for isikhathi eside. It's going to be Uduba, Gaston Sereno, Ashley Dupree, Duduzi Shabalala, Inacio Miguel, Bruce Vuma, Given Msimango, Kosingiphile Ngcobo, Luke Bartman, including Asanele Velepai, and Thabiso Monyane. No, Monyane, I said he's starting, it means Solomons. He's going to be there, naye, in case of kwenzeka ama mix masala lapha at the back. This is it for today. Thank you for watching and for making it this far on the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Please help me grow. Ikos Alpelumoy. Dango.